Hello. Right, I've been busy. I've got these locker doors, well, frames. Basically they're anodised aluminium with a seal. And what I'm doing is I need to cut a hole in the checker plate panels for the side to fit these in. So what I've done, I removed one of the side panels from the truck, and I've cut out, this is a bit I've cut out, which I did using an angle grinder using these discs. And then what I had to do is, obviously I couldn't do the curves in the corners, so I had to cut them, I had to cut straight lines, and then I had to just grind them round to make a curve. So I'm just doing a bit of a test fit on this one, so it fits in fine. But then what I've got to do is I've got to make, see where these screws are here, the frame splits apart, and I've got to make a panel to fit. I'll come around the other side. I've got to make a panel to fit inside here using the offcut of aluminium, so it needs trimming down a bit more, but the panel needs to be 30mm thick. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll be, once that's trimmed down, I'll be putting a wooden frame on it. I'll then be bonding some solid foam insulation to the aluminium. Then I'll be putting a thin layer of plywood on the back to hopefully make up the 30mm. So that will be the next job. That's what it looks like anyway now. So they're quite big lockers. These are about 5 foot wide by just under a foot high. So they're actually discontinued now. So I was lucky that the company that sells them, I managed to get two, well, the last two that they had. I paid £50 for these. The other thing is I've got some locks. Hang on, just unlock my truck. So I've got 4 matching locks, basically 2 of these per locker. So probably about here, either end. Right, I've marked out, this is the infill for the actual door. So I've marked out, it's this line here with the arrows. So I need to cut that out. So it'll be with the angle grinder. I did actually have an attempt with the jigsaw. As you see, all that happens is the blade just clogs up. Okay, I've got both side panels cut out now and the frame's fitted. So just the infill panels to do now. I got the infill panels cut out, so there, I'll just fit it in temporarily. So as you see, it's cut out. I've still got to make the back of the panel, and then I'll have the locks to fit. So I'm going to probably use wood and insulation foam to build it up to 30mm thick, and I'll put some wood where the locks are just to strengthen, add a bit of strength. I mean, it's fairly strong because this is 3mm checker plate, so it's actually 5mm thick. A normal caravan would only use probably aluminium about 1mm thick. Then it'd use some styrene foam and then a plywood backing. So yeah, it should be plenty strong enough, hopefully.